Hi, today I hope my voice is better. I've used my label and basically I'm going to be dressing very simply today because I have a podcast. I can't give you more details about it, but of course when it is out, I will share it. So I'm going to really keep it simple, as simple as possible. So shall we start? Moisturizer. Skin routine is done. It's there in my channel, on my page. Type Sreenanda Shankar skin routine and it will pop up. And it is meant for dry skin. So if you have oily skin, you might want to check with a dermatologist before choosing products for your skin. Because skin is a very sensitive thing, so go with a professional. Here I'm using the L'Oreal Revitalift cream, water cream. I really like it. And before makeup, I'm going to again definitely moisturize. It is summer, so I'm going to absolutely stick to powder foundation, as I mostly do. Okay, you know the order of things I use. You guys have been watching me too much, and thank you for that. And I have a routine like concealer, powder foundation, eyeshadow, eyes, lips, then the rest of the face. So we're going to stick with that. My concealer first. Use it wherever required. Some of you have very clear skin, you can avoid it. And some of you, if you have some spots, you can just put it on that spot and blend it in. And always go to a store and choose your foundation or your concealer, because if I tell you use this color, some people ask me, I'm a NC42, what concealer I should use. If I advise you without seeing you, especially online, it will be a crime. So go to the store. The first time you buy your concealer and your foundation, it has to be tried on. Then you get it online because you know your shade by then. Okay, so see, I don't need to use spray. The moisturizer helps everything to blend out well. I'm not tying my hair because I've just set my hair, just straightened it today. Don't feel like curling it. On top of this, I'm going to just use the powder foundation, and it will not look ashy because I will use less. Now with your concealer, just spread it out wherever required. It will still be a lesser layer than a liquid foundation, especially in summer. Then I'm going with my MAC Studio Fix. This is the PAC 261 brush, and just apply it to even out the skin tone and use a light hand. And you can carry this with you also if you want to touch it up. Mix. Powder foundation makes life easy, especially if you want to do realistic, relatable, easy makeup. I'm going to set my eyebrows with a gel. I don't draw it because my eyebrows are dark anyway. If you need to draw it, but use the gel so that they don't move around. Now I will just contour my upper eyelid. I'll just take a soft fluffy brush and I will use this shade. Just take a palette with neutral shades. You do not have to use all the brands I use. I use high-end brands because I have had very bad experiences with my skin, but I insist that you use brands of your choice because you just have to match the shades and the products. It doesn't have to be the same brand. So contour your eyes, take it up to your crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, go further up. And as I say, see, this is your crease line. That's where you take your, take your eyeshadow up to. But if you have hooded eyes, you can go a little higher so that it doesn't get covered. This dark brown. And a flat smudge brush like this. This is by Color Bar. It's discontinued, but see the shape, you'll find it. Just go to a store and you'll find it. On my lower outer lash line. Always take little product and use it. If you need more, then you take more, because you cannot reduce the makeup, you can always increase it. A kajal, I like to put it halfway sometimes because it opens up your eyes. If you want to take it all the way in, by all means, go for it. See, there's no really any hard and fast rule about makeup. If you do your makeup and it looks good to you in the mirror, it doesn't matter who says what, just do that. I'll smudge it out a little bit with the same brush that I used the brown with. This kind of makeup is just about highlighting your features. And trust me, most of these makeup looks I do, you can do it for work. As I say, don't risk curling your lashes if you don't know how to. You can check out YouTube. I used to actually watch my mom do it before shows, and I observed her and I learned it. So, otherwise use a curling mascara. Mascara time, and the eye makeup will be done. When you use your mascara, always wiggle the wand and then put more on the tip. So you get that fluttery Minnie Mouse like look. I love that. And I always put like 2 layers. It comes off easily. Just use a baby oil and a baby wipe, it'll all come off. I avoid waterproof mascaras. Those are the ones which are difficult to take off. I didn't line my upper eyelid, but see, it lines your eyes. So a good mascara can be magical. I forgot to put my lip balm. I'll be using a plumper, but I tend to make my lips all pouty with the lipstick. It's a personal choice. Some of you don't like it, don't do it. I do what I do at a daily basis, and I just switch on the camera so that I can share it with you guys. I shall contour a little bit. A powder contour is always a softer look. It creates a shadow on the face in the right places. I like the skin looking like skin, the texture when it comes to daily makeup. That actually looks more glamorous. Now I am putting some here because my chin is long, but if you have a round face, avoid the chin. Then flatten this brush, put it on 2 sides of your nose, and it's enough to contour your nose. Line and fill out your lips with a nude lip liner, that way your lipstick will stay longer. Then use a lip liner to define your lips that goes with your lipstick. You could use a regular lipstick and use a gloss on it as well. All my products, nothing is compulsory that you have to use. I am not selling products, I am selling the technique. But if you want to use the ones that I use, they're captioned. You can find them on Nykaa, Tira Beauty and Sephora. The reason I don't share links is because the links expire in a month. So when you go back to that video, you won't get it. A little blush. Use little product and use more if required. I keep saying that because some people tend to just put on too much and then don't know what to do. Okay. your powder foundation wherever required and carry it with you. Makeup is done. Spray. Done. So I will definitely take some pictures outside so that you can see how it looks in daylight. This is my casual look for today. Again, I said you can do this for work, you can skip a few steps, personalize it, but keep your makeup simple, easy, and if you cake up too much, I mean, it's your choice. As in when you age also, like I'm 44, so I don't cake up that much. I keep it natural, take care of your skin, be happy, then your face will glow, trust me. And make sure you're happy. I don't mean to give you guys some gyan, but I have lived a little, so I can say these things and it will make a difference in your life. Anyway, I will see you soon with really easy makeup looks, relatable looks, doable looks. Till then, stay happy, take care, and stay glam.